Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about additional tagging options in GA4. Now before we begin, please hit that like button to show us your support and help our videos reach more people. Now let's get started. Google Analytics 4 tags helps bridge the gap between web and mobile analytics. Tracking on Google Analytics 4 is possible by the use of tags. First, log in to your Google Analytics account. Now click on Admin. Under Property, look for Data Streams. Now select the data stream that you have created. Under Google Tag, you can find Configure Tag Settings. You may notice that your Google tag is shown here. Under Settings, you can view more tag settings here. Click Show All to view more of the tag settings that you can apply. First, manage Automatic Event Detection. These are the configuration that you have selected for your data stream collection. You can view the options such as page views on browser history change, scrolls, outbound clicks, form interactions, video engagement, and file downloads. You can enable or disable some of these options on this page. Next, configure your domains. You can add conditions to your domains, and this enables cross-domain measurement. Tap on this button and fill up this form. Next, user-provided data from your website will improve measurement and get more insights into data that people provide to your website. Next, define internal traffic. You can create rules that will act as data filters. Internal traffic is any traffic from an IP address. You can create rules that identify internal traffic. Type in the rule name and the IP address here. Next, list unwanted referrals that arrive on your website through another source, such as through a link on a third-party domain. This helps make sure that your data includes only referrals in which you're interested in. Create a set of conditions to identify the domains whose traffic you don't want to identify as referrals. Another way you can add and update your tags is by using Google Tag Manager. Under Google Analytics dashboard, click on this icon to view and explore more products. Now choose Tag Manager. You need to register your account to use this Tag Manager. Click the button Start for free. You'll see this window where you can add a new account. Under Account Setup, add an account name. Select your country. Under Container Setup, write your container name. Then under Platform, you can choose from the web, iOS, Android, AMP, and server. Then click the Create button. From this window, accept the Terms of Agreement. Once you've created a Tag Manager account, you'll see this pop-up window to copy and paste the code below on your site. There are Google Analytics 4 Configuration tags and Google Analytics 4 Event. You may notice that there are many types of tags that you can choose from. You can choose from Universal Analytics, Google Ads Conversion Tracking, Remarketing, Floodlight Counter, Sales, Conversion Linker, and Google Optimize. Now add the measurement ID here. Click the Add icon, then choose a variable. Under Fields to Set, you can add a row. Then add a field name and value. Under User Properties, you can add a row. Under Advanced Settings, you can add a tag firing priority. You can have the option to enable a custom tag firing schedule or only fire this tag in published containers. Under Tag Sequencing, choose to fire a tag before or after the tag fires. Under Additional Tag Metadata, include tag name, then add metadata. Additional consent checks have options such as Not Set, No Additional Consent Required, and Require additional consent for the tag to fire. Now click Save. Now take note that if you don't have a trigger, this message will show up as a notification. It tells you that this tag doesn't have a firing trigger. So unless a trigger is added, the tag you've created will not fire. So make sure to set up a trigger. If you need to run multiple ad accounts, multi-account social media, blog, and group marketing campaigns, we have a marketing app that can help your business run multiple marketing campaigns successfully. It's called Logi. It is the first multi-login, multi-account, anti-detect browser. First, run ads from multiple accounts. You can run multiple accounts and do multi-account marketing securely. You can gain 100% protection on all social media sites, forums, and blog sites. You can avoid wasting money on slow and expensive VPSs. You can secure multi-login browsing right on your computer. You can even scale your business and earn profits with multi-login marketing. Run multi-login, multi-account campaigns for yourself or your clients. Logi has the ultimate anti-detect protection for your digital marketers. It has geodata protection, IP protection, independent cookies, time zone anti-detection, and more. So try Logi now. Go to logi.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.